Hey guys, I'm Hasmi from the Blue channel and welcome to the Keychron B1 Pro keyboard review. So I've been using this keyboard for a little over a week now, and one thing is obvious: this is the cheaper version of the Logitech MX Keys Mini. And cheaper in price doesn't always mean cheaper in quality, and this keyboard is proof for that. So this keyboard comes in two colors, ivory white and space gray, which is the one that I have. And looking at it from the top, nothing out of the ordinary of a normal 60% keyboards, except you'd notice three LEDs at the top. And one that's pretty obvious is the caps lock LED, and then you have the Bluetooth / dongle LED, and then you have the charging LED, which is red when charging and green when fully charged. And looking at it from the bottom are these anti-gliding materials to prevent this keyboard from sliding on your desk. And if you look keenly, it's this almost pinhole, and I don't know if this is there to help with the frequency when connected via Bluetooth or when connected with the dongle. So if you guys know, it'll be helpful. So looking at it from the front is the Type-C charging port, the operating system switch button, whatever, and the mode switch button. You can connect this keyboard via Bluetooth, via the dongle, and with wired. So you have options. So what you get in the box is the keyboard itself, a Type-C charging cable, a 2.4 gigahertz dongle, and a Type-C adapter. For $40, if you're not careful, you can easily scratch this keyboard because it is made out of plastic. So on the bright side, Keychron did claim that this keyboard lasts 8 months on a full charge, and if you're an American, that'll be 1200 hours. Oh, one thing that I forgot to mention is that Keychron has this web-based application for you to customize this keyboard. So if you're into that stuff, there you have it. One thing that I don't appreciate on this keyboard is the lack of backlight. Now, if you do know how to touch type just like me, that shouldn't be a huge problem. But if you do code at night, just like me sometimes, you use some special symbols, so you might need the backlight. And this keyboard not having that is really not ideal. But besides that, I do believe that Keychron will improve on this keyboard, and hopefully if they refresh it, they can give it a backlight, and that'll be a good thing. Thank you for watching this video. See you guys in the next one, by God's willing. Cheerio. Stay cool.